Hello and welcome to The Loop on Location. I'm Matt Bruding.
And I'm Erin Frizz, and today we're here in District 4, which includes 6 counties in Northeast Ohio. It's also home to the Kent State University.
We're here in Ashtabula County, which is the state's largest county by area, and these guys have really been working hard to clear snow and ice. Thanks so much for taking a little bit of time off to just join us here. We were looking at the calendar. I guess you guys have not had a day off since the beginning of December, except for December the 17th. Just sort of talk about working those long hours. What's that like?
It's fun. It's a lot of fun. Is that what you wanted to hear?
I mean, I'm sure it's rewarding as well, but it does take a toll, doesn't it?
Sure. Yeah, you get used to it though after a while.
How long? I mean, I was saying 12-hour shifts, but you guys work even longer than that here in Ashtabula County, right?
Yeah, 16-hour shifts, yes. We've been doing that. I don't think I've worked a 12-hour shift yet this season.
So I would imagine all of that takes a huge toll just on your body, your mind. I mean, because you have to stay focused this entire time. Coordinating all that, it's got to be tough, right?
It's very difficult with the breakdowns we've had on our snow and ice equipment so far this year, with a lot of hydraulic and electrical problems. Part of it due to the extreme cold temperatures we've had so far this year.
We're here in Trumbull County today, and I'm interviewing Phillip Lance, who's been at ODOT for 46 years. Now, Phillip, how has snow and ice changed since, say, 1969 when you first started?
Well, we didn't have all this modern equipment like we have now. We had basically gasoline engines. Now we have diesels. We have a lot of equipment and a lot of tools at our disposal to get rid of the snow and ice. It's quite an operation now. It's made our job a lot easier.
You've seen your fair share of winters here in Ohio. Do you have any advice for our young snowplow drivers who are just getting started here at ODOT?
Yeah, just take it easy when you go out. Be careful. That's a big vehicle you have that you're driving there. And just take all the precautions and try to get your job done in a timely fashion, but just enjoy it.
So we're here in the middle of I-80, just outside of Youngstown. This stretch of highway actually has the second highest truck volume in the entire state of Ohio. In fact, about 40% of all the vehicles that travel this stretch of road are commercial vehicles. We know that truck traffic is projected to increase by 67% by the year 2040. To accommodate all that extra truck traffic, we've added a third lane in each direction. This also includes widening and replacing 6 bridges. By eliminating congestion, we can improve safety and meet the economic demands of the future.
One of our biggest up-and-coming projects in District 4 is to replace the State Route 8 bridge over the Cuyahoga River Valley in the city of Akron. I'm here with Laura Beese, who's the project manager, to tell us a little bit more about what's to come.
This is a 4-year project estimated at over $120 million. It's estimated to begin construction in late 2020. The original bridge is used by over 125,000 vehicles per day.
Wow, 125,000 vehicles. That's a lot to maintain. How's ODOT going about that?
So all 6 lanes of traffic will be maintained on the existing structure while we build the southbound structure, and then once that's completed, we'll shift traffic over to that southbound structure, demolish the existing structure, and put the new northbound structure in its place.
Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Check us out on social media, and we always love your feedback and ideas to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And now,
you're in the loop.